Hey fighters, boxers who's purchased one of these SPAR bars. What I did, my one goes faster now. It's only because I use these. These are called pipe installation. What I did was change the original padding and put these on. And also I use a WD-40 on top of this. There's a space here where you can put WD-40 in there, so the barbarian could easily go around. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate how fast this is. You see? Check it out. If you got it, change it, but do keep the original pad on, just in case you don't like it.